Did you know that over 30% of the food produced globally is wasted? What if you could create a sustainable eating plan that not only reduces waste but also benefits your health? Imagine the impact we could have if we all made a few simple changes to the way we eat. In today's video, you'll learn how to build your own sustainable eating plan that aligns with your lifestyle, supports the environment, and nourishes your body. It's not just about eating better, it's about making choices that lead to a healthier planet for everyone. So, let's dive in. Many people struggle with unhealthy eating habits and food waste, leading to negative impacts on both personal health and the planet. We often find ourselves reaching for convenience foods that come in excessive packaging or making impulsive choices when grocery shopping that end up as waste. This not only affects our waistlines but also contributes to the growing problem of food waste. It's time to address this issue head-on. We can create solutions that benefit us and the world around us. Now, let's explore some key components of a sustainable eating plan. First off, choosing seasonal foods can make a huge difference. When you eat in season, you're not only getting the freshest produce but also supporting local farmers and reducing the carbon footprint associated with shipping food long distances. Next up, let's talk about minimizing meat consumption. You don't have to go completely vegetarian, but incorporating more plant-based meals into your week can have a positive impact on both your health and the environment. Lastly, reducing packaging waste is crucial. Opt for bulk items or bring your own containers when shopping. And meal prepping? It's a game changer. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you stick to your sustainable eating plan and cut down on last-minute unhealthy choices. The key insight here is that small, mindful changes in your eating habits can lead to significant positive impacts on your health and the environment. You'll see how easy it is to get started today. For example, try swapping out one meat-based meal for a plant-based option each week or committing to buying one new seasonal vegetable at the market. These little steps create a ripple effect, encouraging others to join in and making sustainability a community effort. To wrap up, remember that creating a sustainable eating plan is not just about what you eat, but how you approach food. Every small change can make a difference. Whether it's reducing waste, supporting local farmers, or simply being more intentional about your choices, you have the power to contribute to a healthier planet. If you enjoyed this video, consider checking out my other videos on healthy eating and sustainability, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going and inspire each other to lead more sustainable lives together.